Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations. Today, very sad news, very sad indeed. I have a puncture on my van. Oof. Anyway, it gives us a great excuse to try this out. This is apparently very easy puncture repair kit that's okay to use on your car tyres. So I thought we'd give it a try, straight from Amazon. Not a sponsor, I just have a puncture. So let's open up and see what's what. So let's have a look, see what we've got. Ooh. Some lovely looking gloves. We have a interesting corkscrewy looking device. Something that looks fit for sewing. A kind of blade, I think. Oh yeah, a blade. And these funny sticks, which I guess are the goo that you shove in the hole and it seals up the hole. Interesting. And some snippers for whatever reason. And some instructions. You don't need instructions because YouTube. So let's have a look at YouTube and get a video on somebody doing this. So I thought we'd give it a try, straight from Amazon, not a sponsor, I just have a puncture. Step 1, remove nail with included heavy duty pliers. Now my nail is already gone and I've seen heavier duty pliers. So let's skip to stage 2. Step 2, using the spiral reaming tool to enlarge the hole so the plugging tool will fit. Step 3, using the plugging tool, insert one of these puncture repair kit things through there and position it over the hole, ready for plunging. This red gooey stuff is very weird material. It's kind of sticky but not sticky. Step 4, using the plugging tool with plug, insert into the puncture, leaving a 1/2 inch of material sticking out. So we just shove this in till there's a 1/2 inch sticking out. Oh, it's not an easy fit. Oh, it's in. Right. Oh. Step 5, quickly and firmly remove the plunger tool from the tyre. Quickly and firmly retrieve the T-handle tool. So, like that. Look, it's left some goop on the tool, but is that 1/2 inch? Shall we measure it? Nah, that's a little bit over 1/2 inch, but I reckon it's done the job. Step 6, cut off the excess using the tiny little knife provided. Yeah, so the last step is just to cut these little bad boys off. So we're just going to cut them off nice and flush. Like that. Yeah. It doesn't say I have to wait or anything. I mean, that's fairly flush. So, yeah, apparently that's my puncture repaired. Anyway, according to the guy on YouTube it is. But we don't take advice from YouTubers, do we? Of course we don't. That would be silly.
She's right for me. The vibe feel free. Her eyes on me. So I move on thee. I want her so much. Get a fire from you.
Well, I can't hear anything. I mean, before it was gushing out. And I mean it was gushing out. It was really coming out. It was definitely a puncture. Let's try a bit of soapy water, see if we can see any bubbles coming out. Right, so here, bit of soapy water. Let's see if I mean, there's no bubbles coming out of it. I think it's sealed. Man, that's amazing. Well, so at the moment I can firmly say that I kind of recommend that kit. It certainly seems to have done the trick and repaired my little puncture. And that'll conclude today's episode, guys. Thank you for watching as always, and ciao.
Ciao!
Ciao.
I've been in here the whole time.
Have you?
Yeah.
Who's looking after Louisa?
Rusty.
Oh man.
Bye,
She's
guys.
better go and find her.
Nothing like having a bit of child abandonment in as well, babes.
Of course Louisa's okay. She's in the office, snoozing away.